there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
Launched the Galaxy M30 last February, the M30s last September, and now it's time for the M31 to shine. The company's official website for India is now teasing the Galaxy M31, due to launch on February 25th at 12 noon. The 64MP sensor will be a part of a quad-camera setup that will most be accompanied by an ultrawide sensor, a macro sensor and a depth sensor. This will also be the most affordable Samsung phone with a 64MP sensor, and will aim to compete with other phones like the Redmi Note 8 Pro, the Realme X2 and the Poco X2 in terms of the camera. Another upgrade will be the battery packed inside the M31. The Galaxy M31 will have a whopping 6000 mAh battery, which is a 20% increase from the 5000 mAh battery found on the Samsung Galaxy M30. With so much juice packed, the M31 is likely to have support for reverse wired charging. Also, the phone is expected to have support for 15-watt fast charging via the USB Type-C port. Lastly, the microsite reveals that the phone will support a Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with an Infinity's U notch, that will house the front camera. Given that the M30s had a 6.4-inch display, we can expect the M31 to have an identical display, if not bigger. Reports tell us that the phone will be powered by an Exynos 9611 processor that was also present on the M30s. The processor is expected to be paired with up to 6 GB of RAM and up to 128 GB of storage. Also, the phone will run on Android 10 with One UI 2.0 out of the box.
So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoy tech leak and rumors, then make sure to hit that subscribe button below, because I upload such video regularly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.